Those who dare to shape the times require vision, courage, and an uncompromising will to explore the extremes. What is it that makes one incomparable? It's the restless minds, the innovators, the creators and explorers striving to touch perfection. It's the fathers, the sons, the enthusiasts, the craftsmen and engineers who reach out to break the impossible. The sublime balance between luxury and power. A 110-year legacy. Unparalleled. Unique. Matchless. Incomparable. In a class of its own. Made for gentlemen drivers and champions.
It is a cheering return to racing for France and Bugatti.
To push the limits and grace the opera. Bugatti is for the world record breakers, the courageous challengers, designed to set hearts on fire. A brand proud of its French origin. Bugatti, 110 years of genuine history. A pioneering present, celebrating an exciting future.